So guys, as you know that Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S10 early next year. We have seen a couple of leaks in the past that gave the glimpse what Samsung plans to bring next year. As you know that rumors reveal several designs that showcase various types of the display cutouts that make room to incorporate a selfie camera on the front side while retaining a truly eye-to-eye display with minimal or zero bezels. And also we are sure that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will feature a punch hole selfie camera at the front side, and I think this news is 100% true because today we got a hands-on video of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10. Yeah guys, you hear me right. Here you can see that someone is holding this beautiful beast. I'm not sure that this is the actual Galaxy S10, but various rumors are suggesting that this is the actual phone, which is really insane. As you know, Samsung will launch the Galaxy S10 in first or the second month. It is too early to hold the actual smartphone in the hands, but believe me, this could be the Samsung Galaxy S10. Just look at that, how beautiful is this phone. This is a truly bezel-less display with a camera punch hole in the center, which obviously looks cool. Other than that, we don't have a single bezel at the top. And if we talk about the bottom side of the display, here you can see that there is a very minimal bezel at the bottom, which just looks normal. As you know that the images that Samsung showed during the announcement of the Infinity O showed the cutout in the upper left corner of the screen. However, this is likely just done for illustration purposes, and the hole could be in a variety of different locations, such as in either corner or in the middle. But if we believe into this video, the upcoming Galaxy S10 will definitely get the Infinity O in the middle of the display. Other than that, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, 3 rear cameras which will be standard wide and telephoto lenses, and at the top we will get One UI over Android Pie. Overall, this is a package of a smartphone coming from future. So guys, what's your thoughts on this display? Let me know your thoughts on that, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.